we will guide you through how to change texture color in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image containing the texture you want to recolor, then allow the document and all of its layers to appear completely. In the Layers panel, select the texture layer you want to adjust, checking its name and thumbnail so the correct element is active. Click the New Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the panel, which looks like a circle divided into light and dark halves. Select Hue and Saturation from the menu to create a separate, non-destructive color adjustment. Make sure the new adjustment layer is positioned directly above the texture layer, dragging it into place if Photoshop creates it elsewhere in the layer stack. Create a clipping mask if you want the adjustment to affect only the texture rather than every visible layer underneath it. Open the Hue and Saturation Properties panel by selecting the adjustment layer or double-clicking its thumbnail. Move the hue slider slowly through the available colors while watching the texture update on the canvas. Stop when you find a new texture color that best suits the image, background, or overall design. Adjust the saturation slider to make the chosen color richer and more vivid, or reduce it for a softer and more muted appearance. Adjust the lightness slider if necessary to brighten or darken the texture, using small changes so important highlights and shadows are preserved. Examine the image closely and confirm that the texture's grain, pattern, depth, and surface details remain clearly visible after recoloring. Click the Adjustment Layer's eye icon to hide and show the effect, allowing you to compare the original texture with the edited version. When the new color looks balanced and natural, save the project as a PSD file so the texture layer, clipping mask, and hue and saturation settings remain editable.